Nichols Career Center is located on the Jefferson City High School campus and serves 11 area high schools. Nichols, which is one of nearly 60 area career centers in Missouri, offers a variety of career and technical programs that prepare students for the workforce, trade or technical schools, or even college.
I chose to come to Nichols Career Center because it gives me opportunities that I was not able to get over at my sending school.
My clinical experience, it made me pinpoint what I actually want to do in the future. And now I know I want to be in the healthcare field. It's a good opportunity for other students that if they're not too sure about what they want to do, this is what they're not going to lose anything if they do this program or do any of the other MCC programs. It's a really neat experience.
The classes at Nichols taught me basically the basics of my program and gave me like the introduction and then some to what I'm learning at OTC. And it basically just gives you a better head start on going into college, because certain colleges you can test out of even the basic classes from what you learned here at Nichols.
All programs at Nichols are 2-year programs, except Health Sciences, which is a 1-year program. Students attend a half day, either 3 hours in the morning or 3 hours in the afternoon. So let's check out the programs Nichols has to offer. Agricultural education is delivered in 4 general areas: animal science, conservation and natural resources, plant and soil science, and agricultural systems management, which includes construction, repair, and maintenance. In each of the areas, there are 3 main components to the classes: learning through project-based classroom and lab instruction, working on your own supervised agricultural experience project outside of the classroom, and developing leadership skills by participating in the National FFA organization.
That's the best way I learn, is through labs and real life experience. And so it really appealed to what I wanted to do when in a classroom.
The Auto Collision program is Automotive Service Excellence, or ASE certified. Classes are full of hands-on work in a true automotive shop. You develop basic skills including safety, fundamentals of collision repair, auto glass, part replacement, metal fabrication, plastic repair, welding, straightening body panels, masking, refinishing, and detailing.
You get to be around students who are more into the same things you are into. You get to learn stuff that you really like.
It's a lot more family. I feel like we actually fit in, and there's not all kinds of different people. Everybody's here for a reason, and they know what they want to do.
Auto Technology is an in-depth 2-year study into automotive repair and diagnosis. This program is also ASE certified. The instructor strives to give students a real-world setting to learn in, setting students up for a successful career in the automotive field.
Any question you have, he'll try to come figure it out and help you do it. He's not one of those guys where he'll do it right in front of you and just get it done. He'll tell you what to do and you have to do it. So it's good to learn like that.
1 year's work includes engine repair and performance, brakes, transmission, and drivetrain. The next year you tackle electronic systems, suspension, steering, and heating and air conditioning. This curriculum is computer-based with lots of hands-on learning.
I don't learn as much from lecturing. I learn hands-on, and you get to be hands-on with everything. Yeah, there's stuff you do on the computers, but there's no he doesn't sit there and lecture to us and we have to take notes or none.
The Broadcast Media program is for students who want to explore the world of broadcast journalism. Students focus on news story development, written and oral communication skills, and the technological skills required to create an online news magazine show, including the use of video cameras, lighting equipment, and Adobe editing software. Students will be expected to pitch story ideas, research material for those stories, conduct interviews, and edit their stories into a final format, all while meeting production deadlines.
We have real equipment here. We do professional interviews. Everything's real. It's as real as we can possibly get it in high school, and I think that's really cool.
The Building Trades program is designed for those of you who want to do framing, drywall, roofing, painting, or another construction-related field. The first year covers the basics of carpentry, including hand and power tools, plan specification and codes, and cabinet making, among other things. Second-year students then utilize those skills to construct a home in partnership with Habitat for Humanity.
From this year to last year, my boss has said he's seen a huge improvement in my work ethic, and I give a lot of credit to Nichols. I mean, they expect you to come out here. I mean, you can have a good time, but you're expected to work and get things done as well.
You get to meet new people from all the schools and see how all your schools are different and how everyone's not like how you think they are at that school. And I mean, I think I'm closer to some of the people here than I am at my other school.
The computer technology program provides training for both hardware and software. You'll learn to design, build, maintain, repair, network, and administer computers and computer systems. If you're interested in programming, you'll also learn to create and code websites and computer programs using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and the Java programming language. At the end of this program, you'll be able to design and build a computer, repair it when necessary, create and administer a home and small business network, build an effective website, and create a computer program in Java.
Surprisingly, I've actually learned a lot more about communication, more than anything, how to respond to people when they have questions about computers.
The Culinary Arts program provides training for students who are interested in the food service industry. The curriculum is delivered through ProStart, an industry-recognized certification program created by the National Restaurant Association. Over 2 years, students develop various skills in culinary techniques and restaurant management.
People think it's just you get to make food and you get to eat it. This class is so much more. You get to understand way more than just cooking. You learn how not to burn your sauce, how not to boil over. You learn certain knife techniques and the type of knives, what are the good ones, and certain ways you're supposed to clean things, because if you don't, you can get sick. And it's just a really good program.
To earn ProStart certification, students are required to pass 2 national exams, demonstrate their skills, and work 400 mentored hours. Students who receive this certificate are eligible for scholarship opportunities through the National Restaurant Association's Educational Foundation and course credits at more than 75 of the country's leading hospitality and culinary arts colleges and universities. If you're a creative person, the Graphic Communications program allows you to get hands-on experience illustrating and designing artwork using desktop publishing, digital printing and imaging, and dye sublimation. First-year students begin by studying typography, design, and color theory while gaining skills in screen printing, vinyl sign making, offset press, and bindery. Second-year students are given opportunities to specialize in their area of interest, preparing them for entry-level work or a degree in the field of graphics.
The best part about my program is that I definitely get to meet other people that I wouldn't have had a chance to meet, and I get to learn within a group, and I get a closer connection to the teacher because it's just such a small class.
The one-year health sciences program is for seniors who want a career in the health field.
The healthcare setting has always been a dream of mine to work in, and I wanted to find out if I was cut out for the healthcare setting, because I know it's very difficult if you're not good with blood or feces or anything like that. So I really wanted to try it out and see if it was the right thing for me, and I've actually loved it ever since I started.
Students spend the first semester in the classroom developing their skills through bookwork and labs. The second semester is then spent working in the field in a clinical setting at a local nursing home or hospital. Basic anatomy and physiology is included, and students may become certified as a nursing assistant by meeting certain requirements before graduation. You'll have to provide your own transportation to clinical sites and meet certain requirements before moving on to the clinical portion. The HVAC program teaches basic skills, including fundamentals of refrigeration, sheet metal fabrication, and electrical wiring of both house wiring circuits and control wiring circuits. During the second year, you'll learn how to install HVAC equipment such as furnaces, air conditioners, and heat pumps, while also focusing on troubleshooting techniques, advanced wiring diagram reading, and advanced sheet metal fabrication.
The instructor's kind of like an employer, you know. He expects more than just a regular teacher. They try to get to know you better. They try to have a pretty good relationship with you. I think that's pretty important.
Mechatronics is a multidisciplinary study of engineering that focuses on electronics, robotics, computers, pneumatics, and industrial control systems. Throughout this program, students develop a diverse set of skills that enable them to solder, wire, troubleshoot, and repair various electronic devices that are common in households and manufacturing facilities.
It's more similar to a job experience, except it's a little less consequences because you're in a school environment, but it is very similar because most of the projects you work on for people are you have to get them done in a certain amount of time.
Students have access to the latest technologies, including robotic devices, AutoCAD, programmable logic controllers, and 3D printers. Upon completion of this program, many students continue their education at engineering or technical colleges. The welding program gives instruction in gas, stick, MIG, oxyacetylene, and plasma cutting processes. The course also includes practice in the preparation of metal for welding and the correct application of the welding rods. Second-year students move on to advanced project-based learning, developing their skills in arc, MIG, and TIG welding and weld testing. You'll work with mild and stainless steel and aluminum. The course also follows the AWS welding standards.
I like the Nichols classes a lot more. It's more hands-on. You're not sitting in a chair doing paperwork for 3 hours. You're up moving around doing hands-on things. I'm more of a hands-on kind of person, so I'm better with that type of stuff. I'm not falling asleep while I weld, that's for sure.
I've grown as a person. I've grown a lot of confidence. I used to walk into the building every day at Nichols and I kind of had my head down, didn't say a whole bunch. And I have finally opened up a little bit more. I'm more confident in my welds, confident in my work. I tell myself I can do it now.
You will also have the opportunity to participate in 2 student organizations. Skills USA is a national organization serving high school students who are preparing for careers in technical, skilled, and service occupations. Skills USA empowers its members to become world-class workers, leaders, and citizens. It includes local, state, and national competitions in which students demonstrate occupational and leadership skills. At the annual national level Skills USA Championships, nearly 6,000 students compete in 99 occupational and leadership skill areas.
The best part of being a part of Skills USA is definitely connecting with others.
FFA is a national organization that aims to help students develop their potential for leadership and personal growth through agricultural education.
My favorite part is probably the trips we get to take. We get to go to national convention, state convention, and we also get to go to contests such as CDEs and LDEs. And really the trips up there, and we get to meet so many new people, and you have friends from all over state and all over the country. And it's just a really neat opportunity.
As a Nichols Career Center student, you will also have the opportunity to earn college credit by enrolling in dual credit coursework that is offered by colleges such as State Technical College of Missouri, State Fair Community College, and Stevens College. Several Nichols programs offer internships to second-year students who have demonstrated superior attendance, GPA, and good citizenship. These seniors go to work for local businesses during their last semester. This experience gives students a chance to use their skills in a real-world setting.
So I thought that'd be kind of cool just to go to school in the morning and leave to go to work and get paid for it, and then also get school credits.
I get trained by many different teachers there instead of just one like in the classroom. It's just a really great experience.
I got in with one of the bigger shops around here, and I plan to stay around here, so it's a good reference for me.
To enroll at Nichols Career Center, you need to apply through your school's counselor. Acceptance into our programs is based on career choice, attendance, school behavior, GPA, and meeting certain general high school graduation requirements.